Yeah, it's very different. Yes. You know, chiropractors, mostly the chiropractors, the traditional chiropractic, what they do, they push their bones in, they've been, the bones are coming out, they are misaligned, and the chiropractor push them back in. It's taking them out is the fascia that is tight. That means you can push it back in, but if the fascia is so tight, the next day it's gonna be out again. We release the tension, whatever is causing the bones to come out and to be misaligned. And that's where, not fixing, we are treating the cause. The symptom, the symptom will be the vertebrae coming out misaligned. The myofascial release will align everything without being